All right, we are here at Poplar Condominium here in downtown Miami. And look at this. Now, these may look like generic modded elevators with innovation. That call button didn't work. Let's see which one comes. But do not let the call buttons fool you. One. Now look at this. We got some fully original Otis Lexans.
The old digital indicator too, look at that.
With the first gen digital indicator, yep. These are so cool.
Yeah, one hotel in Erie used to have these. Except there were 8 floors.
Here we are in 10. Wow. Lobby?
Let's get another ride on these. These are cool.
Yeah. There's your plaque.
The cow's been redone, but it's kind of cool to see that the...
And there are your buttons. And there's actually an Otis globe right there.
That's funny.
And here's a look at the cab. The cab is kind of worn out, but these are still really cool. Definitely nice to see this still original. Alright, let's take this for another spin.
It seems like this is the only one working.
Yeah, it seems to be. And here we are.
Pulsation amp here. Yes, there's an original call button here.
All right. If there's nobody in the lobby, we'll do one more ride on these.
Okay.
But then after that, we'll head out. Yeah, and you can also see the indicators kind of damaged, too.
It is what it is, though.
Yeah, I am happy this is original, though. Alright. Go to 9 and see if I can maybe get the bell to work. Old school cool. Watch 9 go out.
Wow.
Uh-oh.
Lost it.
Yep. Alright, I'm gonna pause the video for now because we might be waiting for a bit. So that is it for now until it comes back. Alright, I think I can hear it. I love those buttons. Oh, you going to the top?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think this is the only working one, so we're gonna get in with you. Alright.
Shit, shut the door on him.
Yeah, we're gonna get off when we get to the lobby. This was really cool.
I didn't realize there's actually innovation pulse stations in the lobby.
And here we are. And we'll get off here. And there it goes. And that'll be it.